Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is construction. And in previous class we discuss about the topic construction of a given triangle when its base, one base angle, and some of the other two sides. Some of the other two sides are given. Okay, so we are going to discuss so in previous class we discussed about this construction ki one base angle and some of the other two sides are given. Then in that condition we construct the triangles. Okay, now in today's class we take one more question based on these topics. After that we are going to take and discuss the last and very important topic of the chapter construction, the construction of a triangle when its one base angle and the difference between the two sides are given. Okay, so first of all we take one more questions based on previous topics which we discussed in previous class. Let's see. So the question is construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. In which BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter, comma angle B is equal to 45 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Okay, now let's see its solution. This is a very important question and we discuss all the important concept of that question in previous class. Let's see once more time. So here we construct a triangle ABC in which its base BC is given as 3.8 centimeter. So in first step of construction, what I do, we draw its base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Okay, so we draw its base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. First of all, we draw its base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. That is, now first of all we draw its base BC, okay, which is equal to 3.8 centimeter. So first step of this construction, we draw the base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Okay, now what I do, now in second step of construction, step 2. After that we construct the one base angle which is given in our question, which is 45 degree. To draw a base BX. Look, draw the ray BX such that angle CBX or simply you can say that angle B is what, 45 degree with the help of protector. Okay, you can draw with the help of protector in this question. So in first step of construction is what, Dear students, in first step we draw its base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. This is base BC is 3.8 centimeter. After that, taking B as center and draw a ray BX such that we draw an angle of angle CBX, or simply you can say that angle B is what, 45 degree. Okay. Now in third step, and step third, what I do in step third, dear students, from ray BX, from ray BX we cut off line segment BD, cut off line segment BD, which is equal to sum of the other two sides as 6.8 centimeter. Okay, BD equal to BD, which is equal to AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Okay, from ray BX cut off line segment BD which is equal to AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. So let's see 6.8. Suppose that we cut in this way. We draw in this way. Okay. Which is in this way. Okay. Now this is the line segment of length 6.8 centimeter. 6.8 centimeter. So this is the third step of construction. Dear students, in first step, first of all you draw the base BC as 3.8 centimeter. After that taking B as center and draw a ray BX such a way the angle CBD, that is CBX, which is angle B, we draw its base angle as 45 degree with the help of protractor. Okay, now after that from ray BX, from ray BX cut off line segment BD, cut off line segment BD. Okay, BD, which is equal to the sum of the other two sides, which is given as in our question 6.8 centimeter. 6.8 centimeter. Okay, now what I do now in next step of construction, join CD. Look at this. Okay, now in step 4, join CD. Okay, join CD. Now dear friends, what I do now, we draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. We draw the perpendicular bisector of CD meeting BD at some point. Let's see. So now after that, what I do now? Look. So here we join CD. Now after that, the next step of this construction is we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Now in step 5, sorry, I draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD, which meet CD meeting BD at A, which is meeting BD at A, which is meeting BD at A. Look, now this is now what is the process to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. We already discussed about that topic. So first of all, taking C as center and distance equal to more than half of CD. Distance equal to what? Distance equal to more than half of CD. We cut the pair of arcs on each side of the given line segment, like in this scene. Okay. Now we have we do same process. Now taking D as center, I have the same radius. Cuts the arc which cuts and which intersect the given previous arc at two distinct points, like M and N respectively. Okay. Now we join M and N to produce it. Which cut now we join M and N produce to some which intersect BD at point A. Which intersect BD at point A. Now what I do? Now we join AC. Now we join AC. No, we join AC. Okay. Now meeting 18. Now in step 6. Step 6 is what? Now putting AD BD at A. Now join AC. That is ABC is the required triangle. Hence ABC is a required triangle. So based on this is the whole process to construct this one. Okay. Now we do justification. Let's see. Now justification. Dear son, you know that we draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. It means that side AC is equal to AD. Because of the point A is on the perpendicular bisector of CD. So from figure it is clear that AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. Okay. Now we have BD is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Here we take equation number 1, and we can write BD as BA plus AD. This is BA plus AD is equal to 6.8 centimeter. From one BA plus we put AD as AC. BA plus AC means AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Hence we can say that the sum of the other two sides is what? 6.8 centimeter. Thus triangle ABC is the required triangle. Thus triangle ABC is a required triangle. So this is the whole process to construct that type of triangle. This is one of the most important construction of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of construction. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. So this is one of the most important concept. Okay. So please do more and more. Now we are going to take and discuss some important topics of chapter, and we take some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. we take some other important question of your syllabus based on next topic, which is the question is construct a triangle. Construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which base AB is equal to 5 centimeter. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Base AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. And AC minus BC. AC minus BC. And AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now let's see the solution. Dear student, in this question, this is a very important question based on the construction of a triangle in which one base angle and the difference between two sides are given. In order to construct this triangle, this type of triangle, we follows the following steps. Okay, in order to construct this triangle, we follows the following steps. Step first is what? First of all, we draw the base AB as 5 centimeter. Okay. Step first is what? We draw the base AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now look, that is, we draw the base AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, AB is equal to, now in step 2, what I do? In step 2, dear student, we draw a ray AX such that angle A is equal to 30 degree. In step 2, draw a ray AX, let's see, which is equal to 30 degree because of base angle is given as 30 degree. Now, so look. Look, this is 30 degree. So dear friends, in second step of construction, we draw a ray AX such that angle BAX, that is angle A is equal to 30 degree. Okay, angle A is equal to 30 degree. Now, what I do in that question? Dear student, in the case of the sum of the other two sides, we take AS center and distance equal to the sum of the other two sides. Okay, and we cuts an arc on the ray AX at which cuts the arc ray AX at point D. So same process do in that position, taking AS center and cut off the line segment AD, which is equal to the difference between the other two sides as AC and BC. Same process we do in that position. So in step third, what I do? Taking AS center, as center and distance equal to AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter and distance equal to AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Cut off a line segment. cut off line segment AD. Cut off line segment AD. Look, 2.5. So just like there. Okay. Cut off a line segment AD from the ray X. So from the ray X, from ray X, cut off a line segment AD, which is equal to the sum of the difference between which is equal to the difference between two other side, which is 2.5 centimeter, which is 2.5 centimeter. After that, what I do, dear students? After that, we join BD. We join what? Yes, we join BD. Next step. Step 4 is what? Join BD. After that, join BD. Look. Join BD. Now what I do? Join BD, which is equal join BD. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. After that, now the most important steps. Step 5, draw the perpendicular bisector of BD, cuts the ray AX, which cuts AX, which cuts the ray AX at C. Look, so you know that what is the process to construct the perpendicular bisector of a line segment? You know that very well. First of all, dear friend, taking B as center. First of all, taking B as center and distance equal to more than half of BD. Cuts a pair of arc of both sides of the line segment. Now we do the same process at point D, have the same radius. Okay, we taking B as center, have the same radius. Cuts up the previous arc. Cuts in this way. Two arcs with opposite sides of both sides of the line segment BD. Now we join. Suppose this is cut at point M and N respectively. Join Mn and produce two sum. Okay, produce two sum. Distance. Produce two distance which cuts AX at point C. Which cuts AX at point C. Now what I do? Now we join BC. Now in step 6, join BC. Now join BC, that is ABC. That is, dear friends, ABC is the required triangle. Okay, that is ABC is the required triangle. That is ABC is a required triangle. So this is the process to construct this type of constructions. Now we do their justification. Let's see. We clear the concept one more time. Just a minute. First of all, we do their justification. Now we do their justification. Now let's see. Dear friends, first of all, the point C is at on the bisector of BD. Since point C is on the bisector of BD, that is the distance from C, the distance of C from these 2 points remains the constant, remains same, means CD is equal to CB. Means CD is equal to CB. We take question number 1. Since we have difference between two sides is already given now. Since we have what? AC minus CD now. Sorry, AD is here. AD. Here we have AD is equal to what? 2.5 centimeter. So AD we can write AC minus CD. We can write AD as AC minus CD. From figure it is clear that AD is equal to what? AC minus AD is equal to 2.5. Now from 1. Now AC minus AD. Okay? Sorry. AC minus CD are there, no? CD. Okay. Now from 1 we put CD as CB. So AC minus CB or BC. AC minus BC or CB, you can as you wish. AC minus BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, AC minus BC is 2. Thence ABC is a required triangle. That is, triangle ABC is required triangle and justified also. Okay. So in this way, different you can construct each and every angle, every triangle of your syllabus. Okay, now let's see once more time what is the processor to construct that type of triangle. So first of all, you draw the length of its base AB, which is given in your question. You draw 5 centimeter. After that, taking A as angle and draw array AX such that angle BAX is equal to what? 30 degree. Such that angle BAX is equal to what? 30 degree. That is, we draw the angle A as a base angle, which is given in our question, which is 30 degree. Okay. After that, what I do? From the AX cut off a line segment AD, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. This length is equal to the sum of the difference between two given sides, two sides of a triangle, which is given in our question. Okay, which is 2.5 centimeter. After that, dear friends, we join BD. Now what I do? Now after joining the line points BD, we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. We draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment BD. Okay, and after constructing the bisector or perpendicular bisector of a line segment BD, we join these 2 points and respectively and produce to it, and which cuts the ray AX at point C. Which cuts the ray AX at point C. After that, what I do? After that, we just join PC. After that, we join PC. So in this way, we construct the required triangle ABC when one base angle, base and difference between the two other sides are given. Okay. Now we do justify also here. The point C is on the perpendicular bisector of the BD. So the distance of this point C from these 2 points remains constant. Yes. Remains constant. So in this way, dear friends, we do here. So here CD is equal to CB. Now from question, AD is given as 2.5. We write here, and we can write AD as AC minus CD. So from there, we will use CD as CB, BC. So in this way, this is the difference between two sides, which is equal to 2.5. So hence we justify them. Okay, dear friends. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take some important questions of the topic constructions. Now, in next class, we take and construct some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.